English, Assamese and Karbi besides Tiwa languages. He began his literary career with the publication of his first book, Tama Shupane Sunjuli in 2004. Currently is working in Public Work Department, Umswai, Assam. Porsing Kolar has published 8 books and also helped in compiling
that the Tiwa language is one of the endangered language in Northeast India. It has reached to the definitely endangered stage. Still then, Sahitya Akademi, New Delhi has taken the step to revive the same by conferring me this Asa Sanman Award. Thank you, sir. I have great hope that the GOV will certainly take sincere efforts to revive the Tiwa language through Sahitya Akademi. And now, finally, I once again express my deep love, appreciation, sincere gratitude on behalf of Tiwa tribe to the Honorable Minister of Culture, GOV of India, the Honorable Chairman of Sahitya Akademi, New Delhi, and all the dignitaries and all the media persons present here. Thanks to all. Now, may I take a few minutes to show our love and gratitude from our small community from Northeast India, that is Tiwa tribe, by offering our traditional food and our traditional kafra to President Sir.